to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you my 5 best fashion hacks that you didn't even know that you needed. So it's gonna be good, girl. It's gonna be real good. So if you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put up brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos. We sprinkle in some fashion too. So if you haven't already, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel. And for everyone, and yes, I mean everyone, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you always know whenever I have a brand new video that goes live. So let's get into these fashion hacks. All right, let's just talk about it, right? 2020 has been kind of weird. It's been sort of the weirdest, right? Not quite the year we thought we were gonna have. And you know, we've been under quarantine. I live in Miami. So there's that. But the truth is, I don't know about you, but I feel like when we were in lockdown, I let myself go a little bit, was feeling like frumpy, not really getting dressed, wearing like workout clothes all day long. And the truth is, yeah, I like a good, cute workout outfit, but like that just isn't how I feel my most beautiful, my most elegant, and it really affected my mood. I just started feeling kind of crappy, so I started shopping. So more of that to come. But I also started shopping in my closet, okay? And that's something, there's these fashion hacks that I'm gonna be sharing with you today. They are very simple, very easy things with stuff that you probably already have, so I'm not gonna make you buy a whole bunch of crap, which is good, right? Because we don't wanna be that person. But it can really, really transform your outfit and make you look a little bit more polished, put together, and you know, put a new life into clothes that you already own. So let's dive into these hacks that you probably didn't even know that you needed. So my first, #1 fashion hack is giving yourself a chic kind of bunched up sleeve. So, you know, obviously you can cuff your sleeves, you can roll them up, you can bunch them up, but you know, here in Miami, the air conditioning, you know, when we would go out, is always cranked, right? And so I hate that, and I tend to get cold really easily, and I don't like that feeling of air conditioning like just blasting on me, so I almost always have like a blazer or something to throw on over me. But I don't like, you know, having like long sleeves and, you know, getting everything tailored and all the things. So my #1 hack is using elastic hair ties. You're welcome, girl. So all you have to do this hack is just place the elastic on your arm where you want to start the bunch up, take some of it over, and then slide the rest of it up, and voila, you look chic, you look put together. I also feel like when, especially with a blazer, when you have the sleeves sort of bunched up, it just looks so much more chic. There's like that effortless, cool look, and I mean, let's be honest, guys, that's the look that we always want, right? We don't want to look like we're trying so damn hard, or like, I just put on this brand new piece of clothing. No, we want to look like, oh, I just threw this on real quick, and this gives you that look, okay? So the other thing is, you're not going to be constantly like futzing with the sleeves or messing up your blazers. I know I have some designer blazers, and I have definitely done a number on them by just rolling them up and then bunching them up. But then when I started doing this hack, you save it. So you are welcome. Make sure to use this hack, and when you do, definitely leave me a comment down below so that I know that you love this. Okay, hack #2. This is one I will say is like trend alert. So the t-shirt of the moment right now is the Frankie Shop t-shirt. And basically all it is, it's like a muscle tee with a shoulder pad sewn in. The great news is you can get knockoffs of this pretty much anywhere. Zara has them, H&M has them, and I'm pretty sure like pretty much anywhere that you want to go will have this. It's funny, so I'm in my 40s, and this is very much an 80s inspired look. I love a shoulder pad, love it. But you can create this look without getting that item or purchasing anything new. And all you do is you use your bra strap. So it's really, really simple. All you do is you pull down the bra strap, you roll in the t-shirt sleeve into it a little bit, pull it down, and voila, you have created a little bit of that sort of shoulder pad-ish look. Definitely created that muscle tee look, and it looks absolutely fabulous. I would also like to give a shout out for this t-shirt because this is my friend Erin's brand, Sister X Erin, and super happy and proud of her. She created a clothing line. She's really awesome, so love you, girl. Really, really happy, and for me, I love this kind of cut of a t-shirt, okay? So like I said, this is definitely a trendy look of the moment, but like how great is it that you're creating that trend without buying anything new? My third awesome hack is creating a new look to your sports bras. Okay, so let me just break this down. I am extremely flat-chested. Breastfeeding's over. Those were fun for a few months, but I digress. So the other day I ordered a sports bra from Old Navy. They actually have some pretty great activewear, I will say. It's not quite as like sucked in as like more of the designer brands like a Lululemon, but it's great to kind of change up your look and if you want just more comfortable, breathable, but I digress. So I did order a sports bra. They didn't have a small, so I was like, you know what? I'll just get a medium. It's a sports bra, it'll work. Well, I forgot. There's nothing going on top, and the thing was really loose and kind of gaping in the front, but I had missed the window of opportunity to return it because life happens. So I thought, what's a girl to do? And then I remembered from my dancing days. So dancers are amazing at this. We're pretty much all flat-chested. And if you have larger breasts, I'm sure this will look fabulous too. I just wouldn't know because I don't have them. But what we do is we use a safety pin. And you can transform the look of any sports bra. For me, as a more flat-chested woman, kind of a normal scoop neck sports bra doesn't really work. But if I use a simple safety pin and I gather it up really simply here, you just take from the bottom, boop, 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 do a little pin, it creates a V-neck. And for more flatter-chested women, I definitely think this is more flattering. Whereas when I wear like a higher neck like that, it makes me look flatter, and it also just makes me look more like childlike. And I just like the look of a V-neck. It just looks cuter. So you're gonna transform your sports bras just by using a safety pin instead of buying all new sports bras that have a V cut. And it's almost impossible to find that cut on sports bras, except for if you're buying the real premium brands. So again, you can thank me later. Get yourself some safety pins and you can transform your whole sports bra wardrobe. The singing is free. The hacks are not. Oh wait, this is YouTube. The hacks are free. Okay, so another dancer tip is, this is really funny. I love this hack actually. So you can use this for two different reasons, okay? So dancers wear tights all the time, all right? I live in Miami. I used to live in New York. It is hot AF. I have a collection of black tights because a look that I think that is really timeless and chic is wearing opaque black tights, throw on like a super short skirt that I would never wear without the black opaque tights, and like voila, throw a turtleneck on and you're done. But here in Miami, I haven't worn tights I think ever since I've lived here, and it's been almost 2 years now, which is crazy. So what am I gonna do with all those tights? And then I thought, oh, my dancer days. So you can create an amazing headband, but even better, that headband is going to stay in place when you use a pair of tights. So make a cut as close to the crotch as you can. And then I always cut off the toe as well. So all you do is you cut off the leg, one leg, so if you get two headbands from a pair of tights that you're not gonna wear anymore, just knot them up and you have this really chic, thick headband, color of your choice. I tend to have black, but it's also great bonus points when you need to get your roots done. Yeah, you can wear that thick headband and no one knows that you're really a hot mess underneath that headband. Yeah. So it really works, but I also love it because it gives me sort of more of that Brigitte Bardot look, sort of like that timeless, like, going to Saint Tropez at the beach. I used to wear these all the time when I would go to Italy. You've seen me in Total Body Transformation wear this black headband. It's a pair of tights. It's an old pair of tights. Great for when you want to wash your face at home and like maybe you know, just need to get it off your face, or you're doing some treatment, a mask or something. So again, use your tights, repurpose them, don't throw them out, wash them clean, cut them off, and you're good to go. So you've cut the two ends, and then you just make a knot, nothing fancy, just a regular old knot, you know, close to the end. Just knot her up pretty tight, you know. I always kind of give it a little stretcheroo there. And then you're gonna take it and put it over your head like that. Okay, get all your bits out, your hair out. Then carefully bring it over. Okay, if you've got earrings on like me, pull them out. Because you know, it's a look, all right? And then you can either do it really close, kind of covering your ears here, which I feel like is always like a sort of 60s type of vibe. Like if I had a cute dress on right now, maybe a red lip, maybe not a red lip, maybe a little eyeliner, right? Cute. Or pull the ears out and, you know, it's a little more sporty. You can always tease up the top a little bit if you wanted more of a retro look, or just leave it as is. You could get super cute and do a little braidaroos here, right? Or you could just knot it back and wash your face. The choices are endless. And my last hack is for the girls. All right, so obviously we've established the fact that like there's nothing going on in here. Fun fact, pretty much every single woman in my family is a C cup at least. I don't know what happened to me, but whatever, it's okay, I have other gifts. So I don't like wearing a bra. It's just true, like I don't really need to. But at the same time, there are certain times in my life where obviously I want a little bit more cover. So if you haven't already, even if you have larger breasts and you don't want the headlights, invest in some sticky boobs. They're like $10. You can get them at any drugstore, you know, here in the States, CVS, Walgreens, Dwayne Reed. I don't think there's Dwayne Reed anywhere but New York, but whatever. You can't take New York out of me. My point is they're super cheap, they're great, they're reusable. So again, you're not being a crazy consumer. My sticky boobs will last me like months. All you do is stick them on and then you won't get boom, headlights, which I use this a lot in videos. Now, here's the truth, you know, sometimes when you're sweaty, they lose some of their sticks, so just be warned. But I do live in Miami where it's super hot, super humid all the time, and they stay on just fine. I've worn them for workouts, but they're also great because I had a lot of white tank tops that I kind of couldn't find the right bra for to not show the girls, and sticky boobs really help. Even if you have like a really sheer tank and you're wearing a bra and it works for that tank, you know, but you still can kind of see what's going on underneath, slap on a sticky boob, slap on a bra, and you are good to go, and you will not have to worry about people getting a little bit more of you than you'd like to share. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So anyway, those were my 5 best fashion hacks that you did not even know that you needed, but now you do. So now you use them. And I want to hear from you. What was your #1 fashion hack here? You know, just because life has changed, ladies, it does not mean that we cannot add beauty and elegance and grace into our lives on a daily basis, and style is one of those ways that we can express ourselves. So even if we are working from home, not traveling, not going to restaurants, all the things that 2020 has given us, you can still look and feel absolutely gorgeous, elegant, and stunning. So definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite hack and which one you're going to implement. And if you have some that I don't know about, share them down below, because you're my girl. That's what I've got for you today. I will see you next week. If you haven't already gotten my free cheat sheet teaching you the 5 fitness mistakes that you didn't even know you were making, click on the link down below or up here, wherever, because it's really, really good. It's super effective and it will really help you. So that's what I got for you today. You're the best. I love you so much, and I will see you next time.